Any more questions?
Anybody? You got one right here? What's your name?
Sandra,
Cassandra, what's your question?
what inspires you to write music?
It's a great question. I don't know. Sometimes I just have ideas and I'll just write them down. And if they suck, then they suck. But if they're good, then I'll make them into something good. Me and Robert actually write songs together, so. Yeah.
All right, we got any more questions up here? Around here?
Any questions?
Zach's right there. Y'all look towards Zach.
What's your name?
I'm Sydney.
Hello, Sydney.
Okay. Oh, hey. Okay, so Ariana Grande.
Okay.
Do you know who Betty White is?
Of course I know that.
Betty White and, let's see, Selena Gomez. Kiss, Kill, and Marry.
Oh man.
Kiss, kill, and marry.
I mean, I would hate to kill anyone, but I
Maybe not
guess
kill him. Maybe not kill him. Maybe not see him.
Maybe,
Maybe just not see him.
maybe it's not see them. Maybe kill Ariana. Kill her with kindness and smiles. That's what I'm gonna kill her with. And then I would say I would kiss Selena and then marry Betty White.
Two more questions. Make a great one. That was a great one. Zach, what do you got?
Anybody over here got questions? You got one right here? What's your name?
Ashley,
Ashley.
All right, Ashley, what's your question?
of all your songs, which one's your favorite?
Okay. Okay.
Out of all my songs, I would say probably You. I love that song. Love that song.
Last question. One more question. Zach, what do you got?
Over here? Before you see me.
Any questions in the middle?
Feeling over here. We hit the middle already. Excuse me. You got one right here? You got a question right here? What's your name?
Sarah.
All
Hello,
right,
Sarah.
What's your question?
So far, what's the worst and the best thing about performing in front of people?
Worst and best.
Good question.
That's a
The
great
worst.
question.
The worst, I would say, I'm always afraid of falling off stage because I try to get as close to my fans as possible, and I don't want to, break a leg. I would say the best is just getting to perform my songs for you guys. 'Cause I love to see you like sing them and stuff. That's good.
All right, now you have one more song for him?
Yes, I have one more song if that's okay. You guys gotta help me sing it.
What do you got for him?
Hey, baby, you've been on my mind. I need for a long time. I've been thinking maybe that you should know. Hey, baby, can we compromise? I really want you to be mine. I got a million places that we could go. I wanna be your everything. I wanna be the one you need. So tell me where you've been all my life. Gonna make you mine tonight. Hey, baby, you got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend. Baby, what? You got what I need. There we go. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend. Hey, baby, we've been on the phone, spending time together alone. But every time we talk, the words don't come out right. Hey, baby, when I look in your eyes, I can tell you're doing something inside. I've been thinking about you. I'm thinking about me. Sing it.
I wanna be your everything. I wanna be the one you need. Tell me where you've been all my life. Gonna make you mine tonight.
You got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend. Oh, baby, you got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend. Carol City spend most of my nights. I'm trying to make the world whistle. It's the hell of a life. I done made them all get low. Bring it back right round. Let the good sounds roll. I'm feeling good right now. But I remember Bismarck, 1989 or maybe 90. Came to me like a song I wrote. I'm cutting classics, you, cause you all I want. Like you got what I need. And if not, I'll just pretend until I can get your friend. Maybe there's a rose sprinkle in them. I can catch your eyes and I can see the twinkle in them. I thought we'd be together till I see the wrinkle in them, but I guess not. Hey baby, you sing it. You got what I need. What?